Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Maria Lourdes Arhermo. I'm 30 years old, married with 5 kids. Their ages is 9 years old, 8 years old, 6 years old, 3 years old, and 2 years old. I am Catholic and from Santa Rosa, Laguna, Philippines. I am high school graduate. I have working experience as domestic helper here in the Philippines. My main duties is taking care of the newborn baby, feeding, bathing, changing diaper. I do also cleaning the house, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, car washing, gardening, ironing, and I have also experience as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. I serve 5 family members. My Baba and Madam have 3 sons. My main duties is cleaning the house, cooking, car washing, ironing, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, gardening, taking care of their pets. Mom and Sir, if you're giving me a chance to hire me as your helper, I will do my responsible duties and I will assure you that I'm honest, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. Mom and Sir, I will promise to obey every rules in your house. I'm looking forward to be part of your family. If I'm giving a chance, I will do my job well to the best I can to serve your family better. Hope to see you soon, Mom and Sir. Thank you. God bless.